Hi, my name is David from Sandstone. Here we are at Ferns Castle, County Wexford, where we supplied all the old brown sandstone. You see this here? Similar to what's in the original castle from the 12th century. Here we have some soldier course and a bit of cock and hen capping. And then the visitor centre has been built with our stone also from Sandstone. We've got lovely brown sandstone and it's laid in elongated lengths. The length is always exceeds the height, always longer. And we've got a lime mortar in here between this as well. So some very good stonemasons down here in Wexford. If you want to see our old brown sandstone, why not visit places like Ferns Castle here, Rossgrey Castle in County Tipperary, Terryglass Castle, Lepp Castle. We supply a lot of old brown sandstone that's in character and in keeping with these places. And we also supply paving stone for this project here. So Ferns Castle, County Wexford, brown sandstone supplied by Sandstone.com. Check our website or call us on 0505 311 00 if you'd like to buy this stone. Have a great day.